I can put the blue paint in the bowl and the cup. Whoa, the
Okay. Go ahead and mix it up.
Okay, put it right here. Well, what is mixing like? I don't know this.
Mix it all up.
They're my pants.
Mix it all up.
I can put yellow in the other cup.
Mix it up.
This was a spoon. I mean Mario because we gonna have to add a slime activator. Put it in yellow.
Sure. Just pour it all in. Good job. All right, now we got to mix them both up.
They can make sure it's like slime. Ugh.
Oh boy.
It's getting stronger. This one's already mixed up.
Keep mixing them.
I can make this one now.
Okay.
Whoa. Wow. Wow. That's so long. It's sticking. It's so blobby.
All right, the blue one's pretty mixed up. Got to keep mixing this yellow one.
That's so beautiful. It's getting slimy. We're ready to put the slime in the balloon. Yeah, I can put it in.
All right, we're pouring the slime into the balloon. Don't move. It's going in.
It's like going. It's going in there slow.
It's going in.
It's going in. Why is it moving like that?
Slow slime.
Slow slide. We're almost.
All right, we got all the balloon filled up with the blue slime.
Slime.
It's all in there. Now we're going to get ready to put the yellow one in.
Yay! Can I put the yellow one?
All right, go ahead.
Ugh.
Take it out and put it in there.
Ah! I'll just take it
pull
out.
it.
Pull it?
Yep, and put it in the balloon. It's real slimy.
I can just get it out.
All right, we're putting that yellow one in, squeezing it in there.
And squeeze it in there. Ugh. Let's see, yucky. It makes funny sounds.
Almost in there. Now we're squeezing it together. Let me see the balloon.
It's squeezing like it's. Oh, that's so cool.
Got both colors in there.
What's it going to turn to?
It's gonna get nice and harder so it's not too slimy.
It's so squishy.
All right, so now we're getting ready to cut the balloon to take the slime out. Remember to be very careful with scissors. Watch your fingers. I'm gonna cut it. And let's take the slime out.
Oh.
Wow! Squeeze it out.
Squeeze Squeeze it out.
We got 2 different color slimes mixed together. Woo!
It's so gooey and squishy. All the slime is out. Another day of slime.
Woohoo!
Whoa.
Stretch it up. Let me see. All right.